This video series is brought to you by the ASU Writing Center within the Academic Support Network. Thank you for joining me as we discuss Part 4 of our Spotlight Skills Workshop series on paraphrasing. This video, our fourth in the series, will discuss using tools to support paraphrasing. So let's get started. All writing is deeply tied to thinking, and paraphrasing in particular is deeply tied to processing information. By writing ideas in your own words and structure, you are engaging your brain in the process of digesting and understanding the information you have read. No paraphrasing tool or generative AI can replace that process of understanding for you. So before you reach for those tools, ask yourself why. Is it because you aren't sure how to explain something? Is it because the topic is unclear to you? In that case, using a paraphrasing tool at these points is not going to help you. It's just replacing your thought process and your chance to wrestle with new ideas. The bottom line is, don't use generative AI and paraphrasing tools as a replacement for developing strong writing skills. You will need those skills in the future, so it's important to work on them now. You may have heard of and used paraphrasing tools including Quillbot, Scribr, Grammarly, and ChatGPT to write or rephrase text before. These tools can be helpful for putting complicated passages into simpler language so that you can grasp the ideas more easily. However, these tools don't understand the text that they're writing, and without the context of the whole article, they can only rearrange words based on statistical similarities. You still need to verify that the information it is generating is correct and accurate. It's also not encouraged to copy-paste the output of a paraphrasing tool into your paper directly. Remember that paraphrasing means starting with a blank page and writing in your own words, which is something that paraphrasing tools are incapable of doing since they are incapable of understanding the text and incapable of producing original thoughts. The paraphrasing that these tools engage in is a type of patchwork paraphrasing, which, even with attribution and proper citation, is considered academically dishonest. So while they might be helpful in helping you understand the text that you're reading, paraphrasing tools and generative AI can't ultimately do the work of paraphrasing for you. As generative AI tools are becoming increasingly popular, it's important to understand how to use those tools responsibly. Generally, when using AI tools, you should aim to trust but verify. Generative AI tools can be helpful in identifying potential directions and areas of growth in your writing, and it can be a good learning opportunity to engage with these potential ways to strengthen your writing or to revise in different styles or tones. So while generative AI tools can offer a lot of benefits, they also have significant weaknesses. For one thing, large language models do not fact-check, so therefore you should be mindful about what text you generate and if it is accurate. And while they might appear to be reading and writing just like a person would, those processes are fundamentally different in the large language model compared to the human brain. Large language models don't understand what they are reading and writing. That part is still on you. It's important to always check with your faculty member about whether and how they allow generative AI use in their classroom. This can vary by faculty and from course to course, and it can be considered an academic integrity violation if it's not approved by faculty. Whenever you use generative AI in your writing, consider how you will cite your use. Different citation styles offer different ways to cite generative AI usage, and also just a general acknowledgement of the use of generative AI is available through different AI tools. If you have questions about anything we covered in this video, our online study hub is a great place to post questions and get a tutor or peer response. If you'd like to continue learning about responsible tool use, see our writing strategy guide that covers strategies for using AI tools responsibly, which can be found at the bottom link. Thank you for joining us to discuss using tools in paraphrasing. Be sure to check out the online study hub for our other Spotlight series covering different writing skills. Thank you.